Welcome to Healthy and Fitness Academy. Be healthy and stay fit forever with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. 100 health tips every health enthusiast should know. 1. Breakfast is the most vital meal. It should not be missed in order to refuel your body from functional metabolic changes during long hours of sleep. It is best to include carbohydrates, fats and proteins for an ideal nutrition, such as combinations of fresh fruits, bread toast and breakfast cereals with milk. 2. Maintain a well-balanced diet for a healthy living. A well-balanced diet is eating different kinds of nutritious foods in proportion. It will boost your energy and will improve your welfare. Excessive as well as deficiency of specific vitamins and minerals can also cause undesirable effects to your health. 3. Be conscious on how much salt you take in during snacks and meals. The table salt is sodium chloride, which is widely used as flavor enhancer. High sodium intake is a risk factor for diseases like high blood, heartburn, osteoporosis and other cardiovascular diseases. Limit sodium intake by just reducing your consumption of salty foods without taking the option of salt substitutes. 4. Stay away from buffet or eat-all-you-can meals because it will possibly tempt you to eat too much to get a fair value of what you have paid. Otherwise, you can go for nutritious foods such as fresh fruits, vegetable salads and low-fat foods. Stand firm and resist your craving to refill your plate for the second time. 5. Limit intake of processed foods as in canned goods, refrigerated and dried foods. The food processing alters the natural components of the foods, which make it less beneficial to the body. The use of chemicals to preserve, control and enhance the flavor can be more damaging to the systems of the body than enhancing health. 6. Consider eating whole foods. Whole foods are nutritious foods having its natural compounds intact. It is neither processed nor refined. It does not contain added chemicals such as flavorings, preservatives and other ingredients. Start eating whole foods by adding slices of fresh fruits and vegetables to each and every meal. 7. The best and healthy way of preparing poultry for a meal is to remove the visible skin and fats prior to cooking. Roast, bake or broil poultry instead of deep frying to prevent oil absorption. Among the parts, the chicken breasts contain high protein and low fat, which make it the better choice cuts. Click link below to learn more. Read more and get paid to write at press.kokoshungsan.net. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net